be 23 individual hounds here. On a day's hunting, it's the wit's job, not so much the huntsman, because he's up in front keeping order. It's the wit's job to be able, if we move on, to count all the hounds as they go by, to make sure it's what we call all on, that all the hounds are there. So if you hear somebody shout, all on sir, it means all the hounds are present and we're okay. So when we go out this ring now, I expect Craig to count the hounds and shout, they're all on sir, as we go out. Are you listening, Craig? Yes. He's got quite a job on at the moment. But that is a very important part of the day, because you don't want to leave a hound somewhere and it get lost. It does happen. Sometimes a young one might just go a bit wayward and then they get confused. It's all a learning curve, really. No one's perfect. Well, I don't think I am.